to scan. It is called as, also called as evaluation of business environment, analysis of business environment. And there is a technique which you all are aware about. This is a very popular technique, SWOT analysis, where S is strength for strength, where strength and weaknesses consist of, constitute. Strength and weaknesses constitute internal. Very good. And opportunity and threat is treated as an external. So companies, before going to take any decision, or even individual before going to take any decision, we have to evaluate the both type of environment, both external as well as an internal environment. Internal environment consists of strength and weaknesses. What are the constituent of internal environment? What are the areas which on which strength can be measured? Number one is your employee. We have 5 M's: man, machine, material, inert, money. So we have to evaluate on each and every M, 5 M's, that what are the areas which we are having our strengths. And simultaneously we have to also evaluate that what are the areas where we are on the same parameters, we have to evaluate that in these areas what are our weaknesses. If we talk about human resources, we have to evaluate our human resources, that whether we have that kind of quality and the quantity of human resources which is at par with the competitors, because you have to compete with the external competitors. So you have to evaluate that your human resources are having that knowledge, skill, ability and competency and capability. You have every now and then you have to learn a word which is called as KSA, knowledge, skill and ability. So you have to simultaneously evaluate that whether we are having that quality and the quantity, because quality and quantity both is important. And what are also what potential we have for future. If we need any kind of expansion, we need any kind of activity, enhancement of that business activity, then whether we are having that potential people or not. And that's why simultaneously we have to also evaluate our weaknesses. If we are having, then it becomes a strength for us. If we are not having that kind of people which are having that potential and capability and competency and knowledge, skill and ability, so it becomes a weakness for us. And for that we have different measures. We have various training programs. We are having various methods. We are having various resources, recruitment source of resources, internal and external. If we don't have, then we go for external. If we don't have internal resources, then we go for the external resources. Then we have to adopt monetary resources, money. What is our strength? If we have, then there is no problem. If we don't have, then how we will manage the funds? There are a number of sources. Those who are having commerce background may be aware that from where we will get. Either we used to launch IPO, or we have to manage the funds from the Banks, financial institutions, maybe borrow the money from financial institutions, debentures. So if you are having that kind of strength or not, because in commerce we used to say that money is the lifeblood of an organization. However, nowadays we are giving more weightage to the human resources. We used to say that our human resources is the assets of an organization. Nowadays we used to say that human resources are the asset of an organization. Previously we used to say that human resources are responsibility of an organization.
Sir, question है
No.
Actually, earlier I used to work with Future Technology. Should have been 2008. They are having a department called the Human Capital Department. So what exactly human is human resource or capital? जैसे हम लोग human resource की बात करते हैं तो we treat this as asset. लेकिन कई जगह पे ये पढ़ा भी हो, कई जगह पे कि उनको वो कैपिटल की तरह ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, तो सर इस पे मतलब ये कई बार कंफ्यूजन हो रहता है.
अभी इस पे भी हम लोग आ जाएंगे, ये भी अभी ब्रीफली मैं आपको बता दे रहा हूँ, फिर इस पे हम लोग आ जाएंगे, इसके बाद हम लोग इसी पर आएंगे. आई मैनेजमेंट, पर्सोनल मैनेजमेंट से पहले हम लोग यूज करते हैं, इट इज कॉल्ड एज टाइम कीपिंग. All these words are related with the human resources. All these words are related with the human resources. They deals with the human resources. Timekeeping is the department where they maintain a register and records for the people, regular employees or those who are working on muster roll. They maintain a register that at what time you used to come and at what time you used to go, and on the basis of that, wages has to be defined. Then it upgraded to the personal management. Then it further upgraded to the human resource management. Then it further upgraded to the human resource development. Now we use the word human capital management. We used to say that money is not the lifeblood, it is the human living being who is the lifeblood of an organization. And it is also the capital. Human is the capital. Because human being can manage money also, but money cannot manage the human being. If your human resources or employees are capable and competent, they can manage the funds also. That's why now we use, from HRD we have shifted to human capital management. Nowadays in जैसे future generally those who are multinational companies they use, क्योंकि इंडिया में तो बाद में आता है, so those multinational companies, those who use the word rather than HRD they use human capital management. अभी हम लोग इस पे भी आ जाएंगे. ठीक है. Next is material. Either we are having that kind of raw materials which is required to convert which is required for the productivity, which is required for the production. We are also having minutes, we are also having machine. So whether we are having that kind of technology which is at par with the global standard, because in this era of LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization, you have to not only going to compete. If you are working in any place in Dadanagar and Panki, you are saying, assuming that we are only competing with the companies working at Dadanagar and Panki. No, it is not true. Your competition with any company working in any place, some place of China, America and other places. Because whole world becomes a globe, a small globe. So if you are, because there are lots of companies who are importing chemicals and other things in Kanpur from China. So if you are producing here, maybe any chemical, it costs, I have discussed with number of businessmen, they used to say that we used to produce here and it is 100 rupees per kg, and from China they are importing 80 rupees per kg. So that's why most of the chemical industry used to shut down their industry production unit and converted themselves into the consigning and forwarding agent. They are importing the chemicals from there and selling over here. China badly affected our small scale industries. Next is the opportunities and threats. There is always an opportunity if you are having positive bent of mind, if your attitude and is positive because we are all human resources. So if our attitude is positive, there are lots of area when most of the economic activities during COVID pandemic shut down their activities. Most of the industries shut down their activities, but there are lots of industries, maybe medical, maybe hospitals, maybe textile, because we used to have masks, we used to have PP kits, ventilators, and there are lots of industries, those who are working online. Byju's app. Even one of the most, one of the, we can say, leader of coaching industry in Kota, what is the name? Alan is also, I think he purchased Byju's, if I am not wrong. Akash purchased the Byju's. Pardon? Byju's purchased their online version.
Yes, sir, and also they purchased a white hat junior.
So this is the opportunity. Even the case when all the economic activities have been shut down, there are lots of areas in industry, cinema industry. We have started OTT platform. Whether right or wrong, we cannot. That is a different issue. There are lots of online retail industries. Flipkart, Amazon, Mizo, Big Basket. We are purchasing the products through online activities. So there are still opportunities. But thing is, what is your strength? If you are having the strength, you are having the right kind of people, you may do anything. And the last is the threats. There is always a threat. You cannot overcome the threats 100%. But as in planning, we used to say that there is a forecasting, there is a presumption, there is a prediction. So we have to assume also what are the threats if we are going to enter into the market. So after considering those threats, first threat is your competitors. If you are entering into particular industry, you have to evaluate your competitors. What are those competitors? Because you have to compete with them. Other industries, if you want to launch your mobile, you have to first chalk down the list of the competitors or the industries having in this area. And other industries are also may enter into that same industry. You can talk about Reliance now, you can talk about Tata, they are always in every walk of life. Reliance, Tata, they may enter into any industry. And because globalized environment, you can also enter into the any market. Tata is the company who purchased, Tata Motors purchased Jaguar. And Tata Steel purchased Chorus Steel, which is 10 times bigger. This is one of the greatest acquisition in Indian economic scenario or world economic scenario, that a smaller, usually bigger company used to acquire a smaller company. This is the first time when a small company acquired the bigger company. Tata Steel acquired Tetley. So there are lots of examples of opportunities also. We used to take globalization, liberalization as a threat. When in India 1991 LPG was introduced. When it was introduced in year 1991, the Indian economy was more of traditional side. After in year 1991 they opened their market. And most of the companies treat them as a threat. And there is a famous example of that. Can you tell me, Thumbs Up was the brand of?
Indian company which is based in Delhi, sir. Thumbs Up.
Alvay, you are also from teaching private. Limca was?
Indian brand.
What was that brand?
Sir, brand नहीं पता sir वो.
Parle, it was Parle product. Confirm करिए देखिए. And they assume it as threat that multinational companies are coming. And they sold out their. What they did? What Parle did? They sold out their Thumbs Up and Limca brand. And now what happens? Which is the most saleable brand of Coke? Thumbs Up. So it doesn't mean that we are not able to compete with the global market. Our products are not having global standards. So before properly analyzing and evaluating the facts, we are sometimes emotionally do the things. And now Coke is only able to compete with the Pepsi because of their Thumbs Up and Limca brand. Isn't it? अगर आप मार्केट में जाएंगे समर्स में and you used to ask about Thumbs Up, most of the time you will find there is a shortage of Thumbs Up. Always. I have used the word most of the time, he said always. So that is there are threats. Yes, but we have to properly evaluate. And sometimes government has to take action. When companies or industries are not able to cope up with these changes, then government has to take measures. You people, those who are from account and law background, they may know various acts like Anti-Dumping Act, Monopoly Trade Restriction Practices,
NRT.
And government recently announced, if you go through the newspaper, there are a number of areas on which they imposed Anti-Dumping Act on Chinese companies. Because our companies are importing lots of products, Chinese products. So there are always opportunities as well as threat. You cannot assume that there is always an opportunity. And those who are not able to cope up with these changes, there are lots of examples like Nokia. Nokia, when we used to start buying mobile phone, that was the single brand. So sometimes monopoly also affects. Because you assume that we are having monopoly in the market, nobody can compete, nobody can beat us.
मोनोपोली के इफेक्ट था जब एंड्रॉइड गया था नोकिया पास मना कर दिया था और वही उनके लिए डाउनफॉल में चालू हो गया था.
We have also example in Kanpur, there is a famous brand LML. At that time, LML scooters, LML Limited producing the scooters which used to compete with Bajaj, able to compete with Bajaj. But you are not changing yourself, then definitely you will become obsolete. Scooter converted into the scooties, and those who are 4-stroke converted into the 2-stroke scooters. तो अगर scooters भी हैं तो those who are 4-stroke scooters converted into the 2-stroke. So and a power is of 100 cc. So their mileage may increase, their performance, their pickup may increase. And you have another example, HMT. We have example of Uptron. There are a number of examples.
Hindustan Motors and Bajaj.
We have examples of Kodak films.
Exactly.
हम लोग जब शुरू किए कैमरा, when we have started Kodak और कुछ सुनते ही नहीं थे हम लोग. Pardon? Telegram, पेजर. तो बहुत सारी, if you are not able to sustain, retain or able to cope up with the changes in the external market or internal market, then you become obsolete. There is one more analysis for scanning of environment is called as, और कौन सा है? Which is called as Pastel analysis. Very good. This is only for external environment. The first is political environment. This government, even if you talk about, if you compare the economic system of India and other developed countries, you will find in America everything is liberalized. But even the most sensitive sector, defense, in developed countries and European countries, it is also liberalized and private companies are doing the job. Bofors is a private company, Rafael is a private company. India also converted themselves, this government, what are the political factors? This government converted these sectors, also liberalized these sectors also. Airports were also given.
Like Reliance Group is also participating in defense manufacturing.
Defense manufacturing.
Reliance Power.
Recently in Hathoi, there is a private industry who is going to start producing revolvers. There are lots of, now in defense sector, which is very sensitive, which used to be very orthodox, very traditional, where we don't want to enter in any private partner. This has also been liberalized. Things have been changed. So now companies are also coming in these areas. There are sectors like retail sectors which has not been fully liberalized, because if any company, foreign company has to purchase an Indian company, what should be the ratio of equity? 51% must be owned by Indian company. If Walmart is going to purchase Future Group, then 51% share must be held by the Future. It means Indian government is still restricting these areas. We are having a famous example of agriculture sector. There are उस पे तो एक साल डिबेट चलती रही, डिस्कशंस होते रहे. Next is economic environment. Why multinational companies coming to the India? Very good. As well as our economic condition is also improved. Now the per capita income of Indian is also increased. And because of this economic changed economic scenario, as she has suggested, we have liberalized our economy. So multinational companies coming to the India because India is having a huge market. Next is the social, which is most important. Why multinational companies coming to the India? Because India is having the cheapest labor. And India is having the huge manpower. Because there are lots of countries which are having, even there are shortage of manpower. There are certain countries which are renowned as Budho ka desh, Japan, Denmark. There are certain countries which is having, they are facing zero rate of birth, certain case having, they motivate to increase the birth rate. Even China is also changing their policy. Pardon?
So they are giving loans.
Loans and other facilities also
Even
to improve their birth rate.
Even China has also changed the policy for
Policy. In certain European country, you need not to pay like income tax. Because who will work? Yes, machine will work, but even you need people. Denmark, Norway, they have very low rate of birth. And India is one of the country which is having maximum population from 25 to 40 age group. That's why they have youngest, dynamic, energetic, young blood, those who can work hard. Even in Silicon Valley, what we are doing? Most of the Indians,
they are running the whole US.
they are CEO also, but they are also service coolies also. They use the word service coolies for Indians. Who will work? So that is the change in the social factors. This is a mix of social and economic that now we are also going to invest our money also in modern sector, modern, usually we used to invest in traditional sectors like Dagghar, Post Office, LIC, but now we used to invest in share market, etc. also mutual funds. There is a change in the social and economic tendency of our people. Our taste and preference is also changed. If you differentiate between Japan and America, you will find Japan is having the highest per capita income, but the lowest expenditure. But America is having a maximum per capita expenditure, we can say. So Indian also changed their attitude and used to start spending money. पहले क्या होता था, हम लोग रखे रहते थे घर में कि भाई used to put their money in lockers that it will be used during contingency.
To save, not to invest.
Save whenever there is any problem. But now we are going to go investing. A young guy may be having 4 types of loans: a car loan, a home loan, iPhone loan. That is the change in the mindset, change in the attitude and the perception of the Indian people also. And that is from where? That is from the society. भाई अमेरिका में भी जो इकोनॉमिक क्रश हुआ वो कैसे हुआ, क्राइसिस हुई वो कैसे हुआ? सबसे पहले तो उनका रिटेल सेक्टर, जो रिटेल सेक्टर वो कौन सा वो सेक्टर, भाई सब लोगों ने लोन पर घर ले लिए, हाउसिंग लोन ले लिए, और उधर जहां थोड़ा सा स्लगिश हुई इकोनॉमी, लोग नौकरियां जाने लगी, और उधर बैंक बंद हो गए, और वो लोग दे आर नॉट एबल टू पे द इंस्टॉलमेंट, और इधर आपका हाउसिंग सेक्टर धड़ा हो गया।
तो उन्होंने बहुत प्रॉपर तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेट नहीं किया।
जी।
नहीं सर, एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम ये है कि उन्होंने जैसे अपना सिविल चलता है ना, सिविल में स्कोर होते हैं, जैसे हम सप्राइमर बोले सर, सप्राइमर तो पर्सन का एक स्कोर करने लगेंगे, तो सप्राइमर को अगर चाहिए तो पहले से डिफॉल्टर है, उनको अगर लोन चाहिए तो बट ऑब्वियसली कि वो बड़े इंटरेस्ट पे लेंगे, बैंक से उनको लोन दे दिया, प्रॉपर्टीज जो है वो अपने उस पे चल रही थी, प्रॉपर्टीज की बहुत बात का जो डिफॉल्टर हुए, प्रॉपर्टी उनको पता है प्रॉपर्टी का जो दाम है मोबाइल लोन से कम है, तो कर लो।
अब वहां तो क्या है, अब पता चला जो जिसके पास उस समय फ्लैट घर और वो सब था, पता चला कार छोड़ के भाग गया।
हाँ यही हुआ, और जिसमें उन्होंने
Yes.
वो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हुआ तो उसको फर्दर जाकर लोन ले लिया, दूसरे ने इंटरेस्ट कर दिया, तीसरे ने वो फॉरवर्ड होते चले गए, सब एक लाइन
तो डेट जो है वो कैरी ओवर होता चला गया। एंड नेक्स्ट इज द टेक्नोलॉजी। आज की तारीख में जो हम लोग फास्ट जो रेवोल्यूशन है, वो तो इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन है। टेक्नोलॉजी एवरी नाउ एंड देन इज चेंजिंग। You used to purchase a mobile, after 1 year it becomes obsolete. You used to purchase a car, after 1 or 2 years you will find there are new models, and you will find that it becomes obsolete. You purchase a watch, after 2, 3, 6 months you will find there are n number of different types of latest watches, smart watches, because you will find market is saturated. So what companies are doing? Company was innovating. Companies are producing new products or new technology. Then only we are going to purchase new mobile, new watch. Every now and then, after 6 months, 1 year, you will find there is a need of another mobile, because technology is upgraded. Your requirement is upgraded. Now there is online classes. Because of maybe we can say social environment or social problems or medical problems, now they are having online classes. I myself purchased a mobile for my kids because they are having online classes. So one is doing by a laptop and one is doing through mobile. And same problems are facing other people also. So the technology is also very important factor. Before going to take any decision, you have to also evaluate the technological environment. However, it has also negative impact also, because every introduction of every new technology may result into the loss of number of jobs also. As we are enhancing, upgrading our technology, we feel that there is a less number of requirement of human resources. Now there are plants. We have discussed Mansehar plant of Maruti. There was a dispute, industrial dispute was there, and because of that, what they did, a case study of Mansehar plant of Maruti we have discussed in the class when she was doing MBA.
फायर इंसिडेंट हुआ था।
हाँ, तो MBA वाले those who are doing HR, they should be very cautious, क्योंकि employee सबसे पहले अटैक उन्हीं पे करता है, because they have to take decision, either they have to retrench or terminate the services of the employee. अगर रिक्रूट करता है तो terminate और retrench भी HR manager. So they have brutally murdered HR manager and 2-3 people also. So what company did? Company automated all the equipments or machinery and technology. Most of the machinery and technology. And rest of the work is done by South Indian. They acquired people from South India rather than having people from Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh. For operation of machines and other clerical job, they are having borrowed people from South India, and rest of the machinery is automated. So there is a loss of, however, it has also linked with our industrial dispute. But now companies are having the options. So thousands of people used to lose their jobs every now and then because of change in the technology. Now we are having online. India is not going to allow the foreign retail company or agency, because if they come, they will also affect locals of kirana shops. You go through the Vikasnagar until Chiliagar, you will find there are hundreds of small kirana shops and mom and pop stores. Unorganized sectors. And the rate of unemployment is very high in India. And most of the workers are unskilled or semi-skilled. So what they can do, they used to start a small business with a small amount of money at their places. So if these retail industry will come into the India, but sooner or later we have to permit them, because we need money, we need investment from foreign countries. So it will result into the loss of jobs. As soon as whenever technology is upgraded, it results into the loss of jobs. Last is the legal issues. That is also very important, because whenever you want to start your jobs, you must be having the knowledge about all the legal formalities, because you are not doing the job, doing the operations in India, but you are also doing the operations in other countries also. So you must have the knowledge of, because now it becomes global. You have heard the word about global.
Global plus local.
Local. Global plus local means
Global.
global. You have to think globally and act locally. Because you have to you are going to produce your products into the local market, sell your products into the local market. But because you are also competing with the global standards, so you have to think globally and act locally, which is merged and called as global. There are a number of cases you have seen in the newspapers, because in foreign pollution, laws related with the pollution is very strict. Environment Protection Act was very strict over there. So number of times you will find there are lots of penalties they are doing upon the companies. They are also very strict about the companies, those who are making fake claims. There are a number of examples when number of company has to brought back their products from the market. There is an example of Samsung also. There is one product which their battery used to burst. So they have to. There are a number of which brand, which name?
No, we are BL56.
No, recently 2-3 years back there is a model of Samsung also having same problem. There are number of examples when car company used to brought back their products from the market. Maybe because of automobile sector, maybe because of pharmaceuticals,
manufacturing devices, they all do that.
they have to brought back. Any question? I may continue with PMHRM or not? Huh? What is the consensus? What is the consensus? Huh? It's enough. Any question? Or any discussion, point of discussion? So you start your working, you should be very proactive.
थोड़ा research करते हैं.
Because you should not be reactive, because I have completed from my personal experience that you should start from day one, because now the rules have been very strict. Okay, thank you.